So as we can see here, anger management classes gets 33,000 searches per month, as you can see. And for the AdWords, it's about $1.72. So what I want to do is go to Google, type that keyword in, and just see what kind of competition we're dealing with. So yeah, it's about 9 million, which is a lot more competition. So you probably want to find a longer keyword phrase, maybe anger management. We've got anger management course, and there's a lot of competition, but that does not mean that you cannot rank on that keyword. In fact, when I type in that keyword in quotation marks, it only gives me 33,900. Especially if you name your domain name and your title, as you can see here, not many of these have the titles. But if you name an anger management course, and if we go to like namecheap.com just to check that out, anger management course, if it is available, I would highly recommend you get it just because, okay, it is taken, but they still have others like info and .net and things like that. If it's not a trademark name, then I would probably take it. But don't take my word for it for legal, just a legal disclaimer there. Um, so as you can see here are some free keyword tools that you can use. Start with easy articles just to get an idea. And you can even copy this over easy articles, see what kind of articles are on anger management training. So as we can see, 18,500. We can get a little more specific. For example, 3 secret anger management techniques. If I go to Google and I type in that keyword phrase, as you can see, Easy Articles displays that. If I type it here, there's 616,000 search results. But as you can see here, I get this as well. And this page or this article is ranked #1 out of the top 10. So just to let you know, Easy Articles, Google loves Easy Articles. So maybe you could say 10 secret anger management techniques plus a free webinar. So maybe in that article, after you teach them the 10 secret anger management techniques, then at the bottom you can say, if you enjoyed this, here's a free access to a webinar that you can attend, and basically just replay that webinar over and over, and at the end of the webinar, you sell your product. So as you can see here, we're laying the groundwork down and we're doing our keyword research. So once you've figured out the keywords that you want to use, we can actually move on to the third video, which is tweeting that keyword phrase, and then tweeting, of course, your landing page, your blog, or whatever. So let's move on to that particular video. But I just wanted to make sure that you understand that before you move on, you need to take a general keyword and make it specific. Do your keyword research to make sure that you are indeed getting a good search volume, because if nobody's searching for that keyword, then you're really wasting your time. So with that said, let's move on to video 3.